Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Smith and welcome back to my channel. I have a Dollar Tree St. Patrick's Day Willow Wreath for you today. In today's crafting adventure, I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to make this beautiful St. Patrick's Day wreath. All of the materials, with the exception of the sign, came from Dollar Tree. This cute St. Patrick's Day sign came from Party City. Let me show you how to make it. For today's project, you're going to need one of the 12-inch willow wreaths that you can pick up from Dollar Tree. You will also need a stem of their Gypso. It kind of looks like baby's breath. And then you'll also need one stem of their dark green shamrocks and one stem of their light green shamrocks. Now to prepare these, you just want to pull the stems apart and push the greenery up to the top and then leave a stem that's about 1 inch long. Go ahead and cut both your light and dark green down into individual stems. I have my shamrocks prepared. I'm going to be using my Surebonder glue pot today. Now the first thing you want to do is look at your wreath form and decide where you want your top and bottom. I've decided I want this to be my bottom. And I'm going to start with the light shamrocks. And I'm just going to take the ends and dip it into the glue. And then work on feeding it into the wreath here. I'm going to use the wreath to help hold my greenery. So whatever I do to this side, I will do to this side so that it stays even. It doesn't have to be absolutely perfect on both sides, just relatively similar so that you don't, so it looks even. And I'm just going to mix between the light and the dark green and kind of work my way from the center out. Okay, so I have one stem of each. So I'm going to cut this down so I have a couple pieces. This is the sign that I picked up from Party City. I thought it was absolutely adorable. This came out of their St. Patrick's Day selection. Now this is regularly priced $9.99. It was on sale for 40% off, so I did get it for $6. It came with this jute cord stapled on the back. So I removed that and then just hot glued a pipe cleaner onto the back. I wanted to make sure that was fully set up. So I did that before. And this guy is going to go right here in the center. And all I'm going to do is take this and wrap it right around my wreath base here and secure it. That way later, if I want to take it off and maybe use it on another project, I can. And then just kind of tuck in those ends so that you can get to them if you ever decide you want to take it off and use it on another project. Okay. But now that's nice and secure. So now I'm going to take these individual pieces and glue right around the sign to kind of fill in the areas that it needs. Feel free to adjust your florals however you need. Open them up. Remember, they're fake. You can bend the heads to face the direction you want. Pull what you want forward, push what you don't in the back. Just try to kind of get a mix of the light and the green together. And then fill in with the individuals in any holes that you find or you need a little bit more greenery. I have all my greenery in. I'm very happy with that. Now we're going to add some of this gypso. I don't want to use the greenery. I just want the little flowers. So I'm going to break this down. The flowers come in 2 bunches and they slide off just like that. So you get 3 little clumps in each bunch. Now this is how I'm going to be attaching it. So pull it together, add your hot glue, and then just kind of open up and snuggle it in to the willow wreath. Just like that. And I'm going to add a couple of these on either side. There you go. I have all of my florals in. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. I am very happy with the end result. Here on the back, I did string through the willow wreath a piece of jute cord and tied it off. I did glue down that knot so that I can't see it from the front, but this is what I'm going to use to hang it. And there you go. That is so quick and easy. Now, if you don't have a Party City near you or you can't find this sign, Dollar Tree this year also has this. And this cauldron here is a 3-dimensional piece. So you could pop this out and then take the cauldron off and use this in place of the little hat here. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and show me some love in the comments. This really does help support my channel. It lets YouTube know that I have content that's worth watching, and then they show it to more people and my channel grows. Thanks again for stopping by. You know, it's always a pleasure to see you. I hope you have a wonderful day. Take care, and I'll see you next time.